guys, Michelle here from Supply with our continuing series on how to apply and use our medical products.
If you want to know how to put on the Breg PolaCare Cube pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way how to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg PolaCare Cube pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each therapy pad, and they are listed on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please never put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and now I'm going to show you how to apply it. You're going to open the sealed package, remove the sterile dressing. There will be some tabs on the back of the sterile dressing that you will need to remove. Once you've removed those, you're ready to place the sterile dressing into the pad. It's going to stick on the pad. Once you've done that, you're ready to apply it to your body part. And now we're ready to apply the ankle pad. The Velcro strap is also adjustable, so you can make it a little bit looser or a little bit tighter depending on your need. Once you've done that, you can take your hose and remember to push down the 2 metal tabs. You'll hear them click. That means they're ready to connect with the hose from the pad. And again, you'll hear them click, and that's how you know that they're fastened securely. Once you've done that, take your power cord, plug it into the back of your cooler. And in our situation, we already have the plug plugged into the wall. You want to do that beforehand, that way, once you plug it into the cooler, you're ready to go. Now, you're on your way to getting back to living.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.
Thanks for following, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, shoot us an email at cs@supplypt.com or give us a call at 1-844-505-8144, Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time.